Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iPhone 12 versus iQOO 7 device. So iQOO 7 which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset and iPhone 12 which has got the Apple's A14 Bionic chipset, and let's see which phone will be able to open these games faster and how many games will be there in the background RAM management. And during this time I did include only 5 games, and out of those 5 games 4 games are slightly kind of heavy game and 1 game is slightly very small game which is a Candy Crush game which I did include. So let me just start the test friends without wasting any time, and all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. As you can clearly see, everything is pretty clear and both phones should be connected to same kind of Wi-Fi network. Let me show you what is the Wi-Fi network I'm trying to connect. So both phones are connected to same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Exactly. As you can see friends, same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Now we should be able to see the results, which phone will be able to open these games faster and how many games will be there in the background RAM management. Let's start with the first game, which is the Asphalt 9 game. 1, 2 and 3. So I'm trying to use the Ultra game mode during this process of demonstration, and you should be able to see both phones are getting loaded with Asphalt 9 game. This game usually takes a lot of time to open as well, but let's see which phone actually opens this game faster. And in case if you want me to do any other speed test comparison using this iPhone versus other smartphones, please let me know in the comment section below. I can definitely do that video as soon as possible. The first phone to open is iQOO's iPhone 12, and then iQOO did open. Next is a Battlegrounds mobile game. So 1 point for the iPhone 12, and let's see the Battlegrounds mobile game what's happening. Again, I think iPhone 12 was able to open faster this time as well. You can see slightly fast than the, yes, it's pretty fast in the iPhone 12, very fast. That's good. And next game is Call of Duty game. And one more quick note, this Call of Duty game I did log in same ID between these both phones. So let's see which phone will be able to log in first. That's what I'm going to look at this one. 1, 2 and 3. So wantedly friends, I did use same login ID. So just want to see like which one can actually get in the home screen first. And there will be error message on one of the smartphone, and one phone which can enter first will be logged in successfully. I think the iQOO 7 may be logging in first. I think we are seeing the detection, but let's see. Yes, I think the iQOO 7 did log in first. So first phone to open the Call of Duty game and log in everything, and same ID, iQOO 7 device. We got the result right now. Next is a Free Fire. Let's see this Free Fire game. So 1 point for the iQOO 7 device and 2 points for the iPhone 12. In the Free Fire game also, I guess the iPhone 12 will be able to open faster. Yes, fast. Let's tap at same time both phones. Both phones I did tap at same time, and first phone to open is iPhone 12, then iQOO 7. So last game is the Candy Crush game. So this is very small game, so it should not take much kind of time. Now all the 5 games are completely open between these both phones. Now let's start with the first game in terms of the RAM management testing. Let's see whether these games can be there in the background or not. I think it should be able to there because these are pretty small games, not bad. Yes, both phones were able to maintain background RAM management. That's pretty smooth. Call of Duty game also. Since it didn't log in, that's the reason it was trying for another login attempt. But you can see the loading speeds. That's pretty good. So that's friends, thank you for watching this quick small speed test comparison between these both phones, iPhone 12 versus iQOO 7 device, using these 5 games. So maybe next time I'll try to do the speed test using another 10 games. So that will be a really good advantage to get to know which has got what type of RAM management. Just imagine friends, 10 games. That's a very heavy task. So very soon I'll try to come back with that video as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off friends, and make sure to hit that subscribe and like button, and also do follow me regularly for more updates. Until then, bye.